Well, hey guys, after a red day in the live stream, I came back and traded some more and made my way back to green on the day, up $7.91. Whoa. But that's pretty good considering when I ended the live stream, I was down 500. So my biggest loss on the day was View. I'd lost $627 on that one. But my big comeback was Mara, $512. I did make some money on CMND. And I also made some on CLSK, but kind of gave back the profit that I made on that one. So I can go over those trades for you real quick since I didn't get to live stream them. This is the third day in a row that I've traded after the live stream ended and fought my way back to green after being down. I don't want this trend to continue, but it is nice to know that I can do that. So here's a look at the stocks that I've been watching. Now, I was keeping an eye on the S&P 500 while I was trading Mara. And Mara, actually, after I ended the live stream, I saw it moving up, and I was like, I don't know if I can buy enough shares to make profit on it. Well, it turns out I could. Mara had made this nice move up. I saw SPY on the 5-minute had made that nice move up, and it was consolidating here around 7:10 the time. And so Mara also was, let me see here, 7:05. Oh, okay, so that's right. So the first trade that I took on Mara was not really the back test of the EMA because I didn't trust it, because this morning I've been having trouble with that. And we even failed it here on that back test. So I wasn't excited about doing that. But after the breakout, when I saw that happen, I jumped in it right here on a back test on this candle to 1536. Sold it as we broke out over the high and made a couple $100. So that was nice. Now I was only down 300. I wanted to buy this back test right here to that level. It was coming down and I was like, I don't know. This could be the backside of the move. We've been, moving up for a little bit here. And I didn't do it and was kicking myself afterwards. And of course, I bought this one to the EMA and it failed. So I took a small loss there. I thought maybe my day was done. I did actually get into CLSK right around the same time. Let me see here. No, I didn't. Actually, I hadn't traded CLSK yet. Not until about right in here in this area. This is where I traded CLSK. And what I was watching here was SPYs. Look at Mara here at 719. Look at CLSK 719. They both look the same. And SPY at 719 did not. Now, right here, Mara tried to break out, and this was a nice little equilibrium setup after this 5-minute consolidation that I could have jumped into and almost did. But when I saw Mara breaking here, but SPY wasn't, it was just another, it was actually going down a little bit. So I was like, I don't know if I really want to jump into that. But right here at 719, SPY started to break. It broke out of its little inside bar consolidation period here on that 5-minute, looking for a 5-minute higher low. And at 719, Mara hadn't done it yet. So I jumped into it looking for Mara to follow suit, and it did. I also jumped into CLSK. I tried to get into Mara twice, but I ran out of buying power, but I was able to jump into CLSK with smaller share size. So CLSK was a smaller winner. I ended up riding this up to this high and selling it right about in here on this candle as it started to show weakness. So that was nice. That was a few $100s. This one here, I made like $100. But then I held some of this. It came back against me and I took a loss on it. And CLSK, I did actually trade it again right here. Somehow I took a loss on it. Oh yeah, on this flush. I got caught up on that flush. And that's where I took my loss on CLSK. And then I traded Mara again in this area here. This was some crazy. So I bought down at this level right here. We came back. I got in it. It was consolidating here. It started to break out and I was like, here we go. This is going to get me to green. I'm looking up towards 1584. All I need to do is hold it till then and I'll be back to green. Well, this next candle comes down against me and I'm like, oh no, no, don't do that. But then it starts to break out and I'm like, oh, yep, here we go, here we go. And then the next candle comes down even lower. I was like, oh my God. And I didn't have enough buying power to add to it, or I might have tried that. But anyways, finally the next candle breaks out. I don't sell it yet. And I'm like, I really want to see a breakthrough 1584. It doesn't. It starts to come back. I'm like, oh crap, I might have missed my move. But then it turns around and I'm watching SPY the whole time. SPY is consolidating right here at this level. Really nice looking pattern. I think that's where it was. No, actually that's where it was. And I'm noticing that Mara doesn't do much until SPY does something. And then here, 743 is when SPY broke out. Well, Mara actually did it ahead of time. Anyways, so that's where I sold up here as we broke through the high. And then that was it. I was done trading Mara, up $500 and something on it. So that's pretty good. I did trade CMND. I'll show you that. Remember CMND this morning? I tried to get in on the EMAs because we were holding the EMA, breaking below, but holding. We were closing above. And so on this pullback, I tried to get that and got stopped out and took the loss on it. Well, and that helped to get me to negative 400 or negative 500 on the day. So I made mention that this one here, you probably want to buy the pullbacks to the EMA. And here we pulled back to it again. Nice pullback. I think I was still live when we saw that happen. But after I ended the live stream, I saw it pull back again. And I was like, oh man, I think I want to jump in that. So I did. I jumped in it, but I sold it really quick because I wasn't sure after, it looked like we're starting to flatten out a bit. And I didn't hold it on this move up here. I got out right in here, but it put me green on CMND. That was nice. I tried it one more time right here. And this was a big old nasty halt going down that I got caught in. And it opened flat, started to move up. So I held it. It made its way back up to my entry spot. And that's right. I got out break even. So I was actually able to make money on that. Yay. Didn't trade that again though. So yeah, that's it for me. So I'm up $7.91. Here's a look at my daily charts, phase 5 days of trading, no red days, 3 days in a row of being red and coming back to green. I hope that doesn't continue. I'd like to see just a nice big green day. So I'm up 12,000 or 12,000. I wish. I'm up $1,200 in 5 days, which isn't too bad. So not too bad at all. The strategy is working. It's performing well. I'm pretty happy about that. And look at us just trending up on SPY. I wonder what does Mara look like now. Mara's consolidating. CLSK is consolidating. SPY is moving up. Okay, well, that's it for me. You guys have a good rest of your day. Thanks for watching this, and I'll see you tomorrow morning, bright and early. Bye.